said that dear. Yamia said that dear. Yamipa said that dear. Yano, Abusia, Mame, Ofa, Swa, Busia Penny, Nana, Obahima, Papa Police, Papa Soja, or driver near Utieme and Nana Pay. So, driver. When say, and son, I will track him no bompire dear. Now, bompire dear now catch Renyame. Abrame ba SK Eka Enkwensiano Sabre no ana medrusa area no anso so. But we a driver mestres what now came and say o could be a sre rade fame court ne fame bra. Unim dia wo wanim. Because driver need be anyone more can say, oh, enemy took care me de kobobi. Nobody will do that. But me piano me home me time or can send be as walk on patch up to. It is a prayer. Who send me time no a beat to me. Me wa me near from 2 o'clock. Mean to me not there. But say me yemi nieme nyina ma take it off no hwe me time was mpacho kono to obo so me drive nyina na my late dear baby am fefe bia na me kai that echoing voice, that prayer voice, me pacho kono to obo. If you me that's it. Thank you very much, so much. I love you, baby. I do love you. Asantene Bema, or can love you in public. That's you get it, baby. you get it, baby. Asantene Bema, you take.
Is it pressure also?
Thank you very much for that word. I respect you. I value you. I cherish you. You are my queen, baby. I need your praise. I don't joke with it. But you catch them, me pacho walk on tobo. Why late? But tobo drive carefully. So me sure say driver be be thousands of drivers you are listening to me. I know. And bijiri say o boss empire no say ready for me corner for me bra. And I also saw pedestrian also saw my main central because me being no baby on my light in it. But to be honest, who throw highlight no wins will be tremwa that same area no. It will be patrol most so mucha car quemono. Most more must say dear. Because baby muchemono, Yahon also muchem. Yahon also muchem. It won't say, oh, you soon. Because baby a car no born and say, oh, no, yenchemo. Yenchemo. Auntie, my son, if you would your how about to a driver 40 said, dear, will be your drive be a careless. It is not all of us that are careless. But rather, no, who pedestrian, who cha quemono. Ewo ye twa kwam hwe de aban mu kan ye kan denta wonum de ya mo mfa so da Ghana for you to stop bomb
and no me pacho afi proti for chichi won
yes I see a chi won
chi wan fa so ani a chi
but so ma chi won na senke ye be charge won to court there banye say ya che ne de jeja fa fa bi bra na so eno amade ya ene enka we will see the change because abrochire baby in this be ya na me de abrochire abetoto so wo ye sua wo fa ne ma bebre ho but ukwa abrochire pedestrian baby any so fa yecho wo de what abrochire you know it yecho I'm do feel what I make one say ahead of you and yecho yecho well baby a bicycle offer wuni power for why yecho
car crave for.
Yes, baby, a bicycle. Wukunam Holland, you trade the whole country, no bicycle lane, no, at the whole country. Last time we came, enough to be here that they may fight. Country no baby ana hye so na wo no se ampam krofo ya pani wo mu kro baby bicycle lane no baby epoa no baby da no ma ya to extend that even a bicycle bi amfa wo nipa wo ntimi fa ho na ye krom ha de town and plan and developmental courses ya policies ahodo ya policies sa kodum huti ejipedi amne nyina wene sa we are the same kaprokan as done the day menyame no ne kasa kire ye ho as a nation, because if we don't talk to ourselves we will die premature death, which is not right. O ma o kunu o yere o abusia o memo so wonfa so empre hungu ewu a eni se wu ntentem sa mepa wo chopa wo bre no mfani agro na tena se kakra wo de se hia akra tena se kakra wuni hwe ba tena se kakra, because nyame wo biribia esese ode wo yo at least potem wa woni nam no wo modern wo presence nkwa no scare certain people ebia wonnim ntra we ye hiani unko school but me come to say woni nam potem ho kakra kra no your presence alone is scare certain people. Akwatafo bia na yetwa wo masukura no se wo moteta afikire no se ne wo so wo mfa so a nyame twere di ampon de wo ba be fulfill prophecies. Yanom akwatafo a yetwa wo masuo wo moda eben bi achi se ne ya hye nkom da ho se nyame be ma aduane abu Say nyambe ne nyansabu akwayomu no. Say na akwata nyago ponto so ya we ne ba okura ya nwanwa akwata odifu ahyenkomu nyame anko yisu lawyer, nyame anko yisu judge, nyame anko yisu asofo enko yisu asofo ankefe ne de be bodewro you ne me sene ametia brabe ho nyame se nonsense men yisu mu bia me yisu akwatafo na me do mo be ye adwuma.
Yes we nasikawo ao majingwe ejania waye no brusu waye ye waye ejaya no tumika ebise waye fi ye kwehye nyira wo hide efie duasani ore waye aboye ubayo ye de free ye fi bewu akontu awudona
akwatafo enyame akokasa kire baako. I love it. Akwatafo they are outcast. Ya twa masuo ebia wontina sa scripture ya babi sunsumu ebia brabo na twa wasuo ebia setena twa wasuo ebia wade twa wasuo ebia society atwa wasuo ebia economy wise sikasemo no yatwa wasuo ebia asori we yesofo baby ya de wodare yatwa wasuo ebia we yetwa yatwa wasuo enkrofo de cars kwa akodidi baby no wo ho de enkrofo mba Jabra daughter say kaya tuntumo ye kamfo ye krowi na me we nyina motivate you say wonya useless sa be ma na agya wo ba wonya useless oba na agya wo ba wonya useless sa sukuu na wanko ba wonya useless abrochire na outra na niema anko ye ba wonya useless wonya useless. I'm not a useless person. I'm not a useless. But Yaw Owusu Ansah, I am not useless. I'm not useless. Menyani pa fo, menyani pa tantan. Abrabo betumi ayi mamba. Wo betumi ayi mama. Ebi awo de onfa menya hwe. But Awurade wo bi bia wo de me ba ba ye. Besi akwatafo yi. Womo tete wa na ba ko kan se. Na se ma mi ayetren de. Ma mi ayetren. Na se ma mi ayetren de. Yetena ha ye be hu. Ya kwa ye be hu ya nkon so ye be hu. Entomo mi enye mre be wo de ye ba mi ayetren ho. Si so wa do yeti. Won fa wa mu fo na ga ye ni. Ya kuku ye be. Check the scripture no. I said there be a hole. Enna Elisa e ka say muntie Awurade asem mubonu ma ye ka say tie Awurade asem e say dey ni Awurade asem dey me dey yadan and then the bishop kan na no pay no mo manyame asem ntra mo bebre. Let the word of God dwell in you richly. Elisa ka say muntie Awurade asem obi bi say hefa na wo Bible ni ye nyina ye dia Bible ni ye nyina na esi ensua etimi kotu also hwe ho ne bi ho en Elisa ka say muntie Awurade asem say the Awurade sie ni wo china sese ayo sam susuo adia ba ku bedi dwetebena na atokuo isusuo adia nsoso emienu ebedi dwetebena Samaritan kropono na no. Okay, we are up at verse 2. 2 Kings chapter 7. 2 Kings chapter 7. Facebook phone bisa. Ayahina. 2 Kings chapter 7 verse 1. Urban. And I'm paraphrasing reading. Na fatre me ma mark ho ma mark sa bia no making kai and ma bodate yato verse 2 this na okunini a ohene twira nensa so no ebu ase onyankopon enipa ase kwese Awurade ereye empoma ewo asurumpa sa asem yi a wo ke bede na abamu ana oye secretary ohene secretary o kafon nanu nsabanya nyame nipa akasa 2 Kings chapter 7 nyame nipa akasa se ochina sesebra nyame beye biribi nyame besesa niema oh can I say the same thing into your life ochina sesebra bosume sesebra sabra na koma ba ni eni ho ebi ahwe wa braba setena no a so bi ka kire o se eniema besesa ya o kan se da bi celebrate possible de be ya dan disability people de be ya dan na se na nyame nyansabu akwai se na de ya to atwene de abrabo ato atwene society ato atwene awade ato atwene se na nyame nyansabu akwa wode ba be ye biribi anapai ya wadan sa na me ka kire obi o God is looking for somebody and that person is you. I'm talking about you. What wusu no wa wira ho wa wo din kwadana asa brabo atwa ba wosofo idu dia banyama ho natwi bro. The Bible says when you meet the for the cast ochina sesebra abusia mama nka kiro ozo se ochina sesebra okika we nyina wie na secretary they say how can this be nyame senka nyame secretary no one woman post wa omo kasa by heart also we bidum kasa by heart e bidum kasa dance ase ni book no awasua kaka law no awaye kakra no judge no oye no MP no oye no DC no oye no sikani kakra wa ye no as wo dwe se wiase nyina aye ne dia akasa ne wakasa na se de obeye ne voice se de obeye ne nim se de obasebre na no ne wapu na fu ne wapu ne sisi ne wade kasa ne body language kura ukuru timi kasa na hwe ne sa o se akwa wo ye dwadwantwie wo ye dwadwantwie Obaby to be Kassan will be saying, now say woman we crown. How is she talking like this? Obaby to be when I say, what do you say me, Mr. Wujamia, Brow Bebre, me company, Mr. Wujaya, Brow Bebre. Master and Mr. Ufribwa, Wabos of the Brancaza. The Brancaza. Yaw Owusu Ansah. How do you answer? Only my voice. Only my voice. How do you feel? I didn't have him. I try for. But here, the secretary of the king. Mr. Oswanya Poswa, and your post name how you conduct yourself in the midst of your office of operation. Mubuanuma, when your baby at times we share ministers nibi, we share crofobia, and sorry, while your usher or your protocol, while your secretary to the senior pastor, while your secretary to the minister, send your bayan on a minister and crying and hosao. Or he never know hosao. Nanso so ne secretary Gekasa and chira ho fin chira ho tantan asa wo babe hwehwe opanyine de asa wonya nipa ne wo piapian ne wo yekọ ha na se ha na tra onim nipa ho yo. But the Bible says the secretary of the king and okunini a ohene twira nensa so no ebu anyankopon nipa no se hwe se awurade reye empoma osurumpa sa asem ya wa ke be de kra na abam be de na abam o twampoa ene wo se wara wo de wani be hunu na didi ewu ni bi wani de odi be hunu na didi ewu ni bi wani de odi be hunu na sa ade kra na me kan wu ni bi. Verse 3, 2 Kings chapter 7, verse 3. Na embarima kwatafuo banai ewo krono epono ano. Na kwatafuo bi wo krono pono nano. Omo ye nan. Omo ye mienu, omo ye miensa, omo ye nan, omo ye baako. Oh, Abusia, Nyame po bi na ye biribio. There is a next dimension of your destiny. You won't stay there and die. Yasham come no money. When the prophecy was prophesied, they were not in that place. Ona bonincho. Huh? Ona bonincho na.
Abazaleti. Baba,
Yasham come no, they were not there.
I was a okuninia. Ohene children in Sasso. That means will be a powerful power. It is a Yaman, Okunini, or Henry children in Sasso. Pause where do it means anybody pause where and then who was some winning. As will be a position. Oh, it can change people's attitude. Why he not trading it? So or he never trade be or he never my announcement to be or he never be a babontinia. Advisor, economic advisor, and I just said, or no, Susan Becca's okay, it is all right. So be or he never can be or trading is Kojo upon Groma. President Bema be a babontinia. Kojo, that's a smart decision. Kaja. Kaja, the president today said, Kaja, this is my decision about the environment. But okay, yes, Papa. Now, a branch, a J soon sumamba, Mr. O. You can't say almost you can't name the city. I try to be humorous when I'm talking about serious matters like this. But yes, say, when your baby Gina, yeah, she. When your baby track a crabia.
hwe won sam keka
Abeni baka so say sasem yi
sasem wan ka say nyame asem sasem ya wakan
o fat o mu asem no kra sasem yi ekoba baye ka facts and reality na be jina say o kina say nyame bi mpoma sasem yi
sasem obi betu e ka say wo de obi home bi no na nyame asesam sasem ya wakan
o mu asem kra wakan
mu enum asem
sasem yi
me na wo kasa say sa na wo yere o fa no. You don't even value your wife. You don't value your husband. You don't value your children. Me and me no kasa kura say wunya yan ka obetwira asem bi edimatem. You don't value it. Me kasa kura you are sitting in your home. What you fear? What you akunya bi atetiem? You are insulting me. You don't value it. Sasemi okay kan
nyame bie osoro o hye mpoma kra no
na na to kra ye example kra waja what the above shut up. Let me talk to your conscience. When I mean no kasaro also me kasa ho yira kasa hey wo be kasa what because I know
amen
I know would dare do a fair for some politically. What do you say? Politically, what do you say? Bibia ye nyame asema ye beka bibia beka bia na oto ho. Je.
Person what you say.
Je. Wo je ne wa fair for some. Wo mranto a wo de tikrom ha. We say ena ya wada mpa. But here the bio. Listen and listen well. Mubu oduma mo na ma ya man niam ka o say improvement. Oh, ka say niam akoso no. Nyame fa obi so de ade ne ba bia ubetutum ntokro ena enye yie ena wensu ya ade bai ebe de na ayeye adefon wei
enye wonu nti enye
secretary of the king sasemi ya wakan ebia we journalist what na radio so you talk like a god. Huh? We a minister. I 4 years. We be free so. You talk like a thief. Say you control the whole nation. We kunu. And you be bana obe ware no. Don't talk like a thief. Say where you japadi oba na nye we japadi. Wo de mo oba ni ngunhwe. Ebusua me ka cho se fa ya japadi na bre yen. Ma ukunu ngunhwe. E na obo say wanya wo de a. Wo be da ho 100 years. I'm telling you. Oba ni wu ana behema ni wu a ebusia beka je fa ye japade no ifuno no fa ne breye it me so when you obi baby ne netia masanya nsa we ngo wadwene chiri atese me da sorry an resourcing power menya na me na mteye me nklebu ownership da na my church what do you mean what church what chira ne transfer na wo kwa nkunya wo tra so nyina na nya wo dia. What you say? Minister Kanu a wotim no. Yes, susu. Wo be fra kai say ye taxes na ma wotim. Ha? Eti say ye baka no kura na ye cha. Wo kura na so ten no ho na ochia yen because ye na vote to ma wo. Je wo mu dodo. Mu bon ma mo body language kura kire say mo dwe. Me na me vote to ma wo. Me na me de kokoro bati tim wo mfanyi na nim na ma wonya ba be gina ye. So value me, respect me. Well, what you mean? So we know on my mim to be matana. That is why I value you, I cherish you. Me boo papa. We knew why the American yana make us as Obia Becas Aquano Abodam. Ebushia, the Bible no say, na Quatafobi wo baby. Ebia your Quatadi wo baby. Ebia and Crofon for 1 year. Wo went to the Yame, Hong Kong pone as some way but to Macomaso. Nobody values you. Nobody obian fa onyawe esansa won ware esansa won nikunu esansa won asase esansa won to asase da esansa won to kada nipa hwe wa ne ya conclude ne ya bo ya dwere pone so we de na we de mfaso be won na ma me du fie de na benedict de na oforiata de na ayo ade na wa de na wa de abusia wo de manipa and ridicule. Basani ya shan komo nyame hwehwe obi e de nkom hye na fa no so amanaba go for it
mbachom dase
nyame hwehwe obi o
Abakota phone baby and woman why you more free mu omo ka ho oman ne hihye no omo nka ho bi omo ti baby yi omo free so na woman nim say nkomhye bi wo ho a nyame anyusu nyansani
so
why you scientist
say we are see away there is an hovering grace. There is anointing running around.
Abanuti no nipa bia ni
ababa we bi we abusua bim adua na abusua bretu abusua oyuko abusua eti woni nam ho no ma wo tell so you useless. You are not useless. That hovering grace and nam ho hwehwe wo bi
but anuti no kwai se ubu nipa bia nyame aye no abufia nipa bia nyame aye bia no as long as otiase no enye wadwe se ono won se mfata sebe madam ni kura no a wonam ho no the fact se oye nipa nyame aye no enye wadwe se ono ontumi sisa da bibi ntumi sida
da bi de nyame betumi me kai na me young ewo bantuma S-lie ababa wa bi open life ojinani me kosi yesi me kwa sorry na maka say oh sister am yan kwa sorry was menko what the bros to cobra me wa sorry dem wo see yesi Christ apostolic na wo dimirika wo hye ne night gun na wo hye ade chi na dimirika kikikiki waba bros we na am say dey asema me ka so me yan kwa sorry me yanko no gina wa na bodam ni bi ba be gina mo gate wo so wo de wo krofo nyina kwa asori sum nyame no so de wonsom tana ho na ade e be ye wo nya hunu ye
kwa nyame faso
no dimrika bae enefe bon kanya me asem tena ne se yanka hwenkyere ko hia bodam ni no. I'm saying that se wonim wiase ya de nyame be faso edia kasa achiro ebia me kasa kura rufi se me kasa no ewa ebia o Adom FM frofa mo kyerem ho but de ye kan ebia na nyame be fa so de aye wa brabo yi kwatani ne ye hyenkom no ni ho ame do fie kan bi kwatani ne ye hyenkom no ni ho Benedicta kan bi kwatani no mesinti ewiasa wonam a obi a obehie no bia you don't know what God is going to use that person for. No. That is why cerebral person could I say my birthday, my dedicated say the obese nka onya ya ode beche me bia na fa che nkwara no. Unnim de onyame de sankrofo no beye. You don't know. Akwara no what won chan ya oye made no. Wo de onya bra kenkan sa 2 Kings chapter 5. Omo ko fa akwada bia oye made. Ni made yem no na obeye adwuma e wo name anfie. Oye made. Were you made? Nanso so ni made ye no ye de ne ba no obenya adwuma ye ewe ebia no ot Israel kura no a na kontimi me wo hene fie but we de obeye adwuma ewo osrani kese fie na otna ho no ohunu se ni wura eye kwata se na kwata aye name all this years no na yaresa ewo made nsem me say na yaresa no ewo made nsem de wo mu no ebia wumu asumasi bi but your destiny success is in the hands of that person. And pay my same way kasancho the wumu no the office or you useless man useless woman no your destiny the turning point the next dimension is in the hands church be na church we there sorry amanyiri church no there train but the same small church what if we wumu no kura but out of the mouth your destiny odache e was any panansem mama for mon kabina ya ansana yapon
kakra metimi aka ne say
kakra
ya so no asitne bi anam no emayembu ye ho abomfia ebia wundum pempen so say anase wonni went no wo be try say wo de won sam fata anase de ye hwa kwatafo we amambu am ho abomfia Yakopon Jisu wonnim Yakopon be dua just as you were saying say made and the salvation as a healing back and name and see as you say careful say yambu your one fear because God can use anything about me to be beard dash and when you yam
nyame betimi de nsesa ya afa wo so and I walk as a chiro and then I won't from there and then I useless and then I won't worry ye and then I won't know ye and then I won't to assassin but Ladies and gentlemen, let me encourage you. Akwata for the year shall come no money ho. No money ho, Mammy Duvie. Yes, shall come no money ho. And then Yami Probi deny Juma. Yakwata force the head and what the Juma. Yakwata for yet your baby dear. Head and Yamedi Juma, but not knowing, sir. Say Ninya Kwata for 9 years. A bobo for more. Ubia mon kwamo mungure kuromono. God is talking to somebody. Now do you kasa?
Akwata for no so wo mo koye no mo ko hu aduane no. Se wo mo anya adufuru pe. Wo mo amfa ma wo mo ko mo ma ohene eba ehu ya na se krom ho for so.
That's what mo kra no mo nzo mo ko hu aduane.
Se ya se nti wo mo ko hu ye na anka wo mo kan anka wo beka se ye mo ya to ya hwe ye ni a ne enko ye bebe sa ne ye ba kire mo se yeso cerebral palsy wo mo yare de a wo mo ntimi nya hwe na nso so me ka hye nyame anmonya se nyame timi ye bibia ye wo ba ko bia ya di anu atumu ama omwetimi enya ne ba ne cerebral palsy akwada no so wa ware no woni na wo fine baby boy ba ko ka girl na no enya 12 years no na enshira o se na sitna mu wo fa akwala ne yese ne ba no enshira wenya promotion wadwumam afenso so onene nam no ko ba bia kese nkrofoti mi cha akwala na enne ma so mo fa nhye nsam so mo timi de ma akwala nse de ositiere ne se de papa na fa no no ti e pa kese wo mo so sa wutimi ye bibi ma wo mo a enhira beba oso se de nkwatafo no ma enhira ba o man
akwatafo no pru akwatafo no omamu nyina na ekoma ba enipa dwi won enipa na
wa hwe
ne nyame afa akwatafo me say de ohunu so ye useless no gold bi wonimu diamond bi wonimu oil bi wonimu wo de osu wo mu no kura no na no pay yan wade ma semwe emmo wadwene mu deguro de obehie ne bia wo fi so ye useless na we de emfa so ebe na won so it say politically wo bezu obi kasa say na say nipa we de ebe de na watimi ayese ebe de na to watimi adi wo man so ebe de na watimi ayese ebe de na watimi ayese wo abusuemu a you don't know ebetimi aka obi one day no abewu.
So be
but the nyame de ne beye no waja legacy obeja nsenda obi de hia ne se won so akoma te sei nyame fa won so na mame du fi aka de sisi ya no won so nyame fa won so no nyame ma won no benya ni monyam se won ma anye peseme nkumenya kwatani a wonye peseme nkumenya akwatafo a won mo aduane ya ba na efe mo nan so efe de obi e be se mo sesan ane ayakwa kon ade ayakwa kon obi a ya
nche waso ya wonti
wan twa waso ya wonti o obi a wo ma ye useless in the society efe de almost abamfo so they have become relevant Odro, what a point now, Makano. They have become relevant now because of the availability. When you avail yourself, so you will become relevant.
But I got a phone. Yes, Papa. Was all quite out and about cancer. Ye, and yet, but couldn't cast me and Sorenko. Yes, and almost 4 in any empire uncle. One more call ya, one miracle, no. When we did another person, and they are some, and they are some pata. And yet, I'm young, quite him, and that's some pata, and they are some pata. Kuraya hunamane, kuraya fa haumu, kuraya ajijache, but nyamia fa yaya kwata. I mean, imagine say Omo Kano, I have for Titiho, and pretty for Titiho. Now, if you are what message no, if not be a page, also went to me cookroom, woman to me cookroom. Never in Crawford said, yeah, 1 news, yeah, 1 news. Now Crawford said, now more better than what to me about when some Yago, yes, we have a news. We knew Casa Mokama, you want some, you want some premier, they bring mine. One must say, yes, this is your call, no money some yakwatafo am intimi cross this line. Let me tell you, say nyamensa baosua, you break the limitation. Every limitation in your life, limitation in your economy, limit adie bia yesi we intimi nya no.
Abusia, my enjo nkran say this month is your month. Nyame be cow. You break the limitation. Barrier biara ya dia to abra boss say wintimi cross ha, wintimi nru ha, wintimi tna ha, wintimi kofi ha. Na da ya kai Mephibosheth. Na enye ono an ka say be yakremanfu no. Na so obedidi wa hemfie. No you disable. Obedidi wo hene epono so. Baby ya limit to adru bia no. God is about to restore you. When ya meba no wad wa ba be sigina bia efofroye anopay masasem we enkasa emfa enchireo.
Yes,
we are there.
Yes, can't asem nka o makoma na wa wo bibia hunu se
obi anye useless
we yemayen unnim ni akwala na obehwenda achi bia osi cerebral palsy so no anyame asesa na brabo
wonim se ba ko bia be so menim so ma the not tilapia the information amamo se yemwa no no me lawyer yemwa no no nko university ai send ye nyina amama yemwa akwada no na onkonya university nko de obu ano so no e ma no bedru sa no so ye ni frani o yemwa no ne ono me law opeso ye lawyer or ye cerebral palsy ba ebusua mesi obi anye fon sa obi anye useless sa
true books bro Fletcher
obi anye useless sa
true books sometimes
but we call campus say you want students people how we cerebral palsy
ba ko be say on nanti abeka
so Beso obepo obi owiase aboa no but obi anye useless obi anye useless me say the otowon chain office o useless onye useless school na wanko be wiase impact making and just say ukuta degree and masters and we are professor and nka be Owusu Ansah senka nka ukura nka untie me certificate be na me kura but I carry something that kings and presidents they listen. Soldiers tie emomo popo. Apostle for tie emomo popo. DC for tie emomo popo. I'm talking about I carry a gospel. I carry the gospel. I carry gospel. I carry something that nothing can bring it down. I carry something. I'm a relevant personality because I have a gospel. Abusia bonfia I don't pay for way a year what this year and fire on Bible. Aquata for maybe I was all boy celebrate palsy for because we name the adache what the future carries. But you better be the number no at honoma ama
your number no mami du fe me number no is 0268 979775. A mobile man is 0268 979775. Extra my birthday ni eguso edin for busumi
the whole month.
Intino enye late ye ni belated the
be belated birthday
birthday no ma ye hu say yes. What the bishop birthday na ma enkwala no. Ye twen mo pa.
Ye wo betumi aye bia so ye ne so. Sample number be control.
0268 979775. Me pacho bebre no bishop kasa kitwe bi nsa obi de talking one city bada o de yesre o yampa kitwe bi nsa na ubefaka
let's read this up
ubefaka no ba ko yisa one city just a be boka makoyi.
Me pacho me number is 0249 48.
Why this Montreal wine what do you call 20 call 50 call 100 call this thousands of people and with him will be 20 30 20 30 and kwada besre omo maame no besre and no be chairman to and family cerebral palsy or the chairman say say oh birthday meaning so we child into the agina and I'm we celebrate pose for no man you know yeah manje ntoma very nice one kaminya me de be pamashe mum minya ya we unu se me pe Ghana ntoma she pa but omodia ya de be mo what bacho kasa fa number
bacho me number 0249 48 0514 0249 48 0514 and the account numbers edini YOA Disabilities Foundation and the number 6000 912 4126 6000 912 4126 SG Danceman Branch.
Thank you very much. Bua celebrate person Kodai on my birthday. That is what I'm doing, dedicating it to them. Meja adi moment say kakrebi obitumi di abua sa emofreno. I will be grateful, but God will bless you. In fact, I will be grateful, but God will bless you. And we'll be sending a message from a German who will say, so for me, be na me watch them into Modia Mammy Breakacra, and I'm say a brand new a winning uncle upon 7 euro. Take a crowd with you, then you work it out.
Sikan Indiane.
Okay. Abusia ya do be see hadne and I said next dimension it is loading and loading be sha se nyame ya Adom 27th and Antivic
Victoria Watch Superintendent
and no me bonfire man and your birthday, and to your birthday, Biana, I wish you happy birthday. Abusia, next dimension is coming on. I'm one more Facebook group said the Honoma. Next dimension is coming on. Ozzy. Ozzy. Oh, shutters. Oh, no problem. Maybe there's also October 4, Vice President. October 4, many. Shatter. As we are October born. Next dimension, me invite you. Catch it on. What down for no? Me invite you.
Progress.
Oh, the Ombra. So October born. So quite a many would hear. Metro number. Shatter. But no one some car. No one some car. Oh, you was anti.
Me useless.
Oh, you was anti.
Me useless. Oh, me come anymore. Me useless. In your mono, whom is and then me no biano. Me useless. Bra. Say me who say me so akwanya o home.
Oh, sa till ka sa bra. Bra.
Oh, what mama vi man.
Oh, bra.
Me useless. It is a cassa apart from say more problem with all culture be no for so dey no because all can pay yenya careful obi ani ho obetime bu na bonfia
da bio obi ani ho prophecy aba akwatafo ni krum se ni nyame kopeke akwatafo na free enwuram ene odo ma ba ye tontra
enti emza dey ba kwa se enzu me mai ho so no obi anya useless
bra
obi anya useless meti kan ma say na say me useless no, Useless, just so be a catcher home. Useless.
My time will
Bribia, I mean, about Tim said, only who be a cano. We had the assassin pa only who.
That's right.
But who did you say, oh, we did for so many. Now I said, me conco, medium is for but they have a value. Yeah, Omukano money that's why so but Omuji to me so munya useless. Still munya useless. Oh, I don't pay them useless.
I will useless. You can never be useless. I will say you know what we abandoned day, a year baba so a year weekend day, abandoned day. Papa was sumunya me, sutakwa mane, and a year yami ni aba. To be Mamunia Shadin Abusia. Also for Mark Asante Mena. We know you are so Mamma Shadin, Barbara, Wakonta da form. You know, Baba Tanachi. I invite you to next dimension. You are not useless. So your time and your season will surely come. From Yaw Owusu Ansah. Bini abema kobra sante tuaso. Wakacho that's when you're useless. And my obama and now ba and now the ordinary adjutant can't just say you're useless. We are mates when you're useless. We are security man when you're useless. When you're useless. What on more, what on cocoa, we are shoemaker when you're useless. Your time, your season will come. Your next dimension is on the way. Next dimension is on the way. Your next level is on the way. Your next location is on the way. You will appear before kings and before great men. Good morning. I love you. Ish lebedesh.